Sorry, thing turned off for some reason. Hit a bump. Anyway, isn't that nice? That looks much nicer. You can actually see the flowers. Good job, guys. These are actually wild, I think. Gotta figure out something to plant there. Got some roses that didn't make it. Tried to transport them from a friend's house. This one did. Hey, looks good. Ooh, this little peregrine falcon just went by. Let me show you the hippie wagon. It's my brother's hippie wagon that my nephew's son Kyle gave him, which was running, but then the engine blew, and so put all kinds of money in it, but hasn't finished it. Wonder of all wonders. Oh, good job. Piss on that. Good boy. Let's go see if I can get him to poop on John's lawn. Of course, now my brother. Oh, hey, kitties. Hey, kitties. Oh, and that little dog. This is. What's this dog's name? That little guy is my sister-in-law's mother-in-law who had to be put in a home. And he barks incessantly at everyone. There's a kitty cat. And his name is... Oh, what is that? Zelda. Red Zelda. Quiet, Zelda. And that's a cat. Don't remember that cat's name. Come on, Travis. Go this way. See if we can poop on the lawn. Trampoline for the grandbabies. Not those old farts. No, 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 no. John keeps a pretty good... He keeps his yard up pretty good. My brother is a really good... Takes care of stuff at home. Takes care of stuff in the house. His wife, I mean, this guy does everything. He cooks, he cleans, he does this, he does that. Here, you want to go poop on his lawn? Oh, look, he comes up to me. Ooh, maybe I can go get a video of Levi. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. This is going to blow by. Hey, look at that, 3 Ps. It's a 3P night. And he hit that too, Travis. Good for you, little short-legged dude. What's up? Yeah, it sounds fine. Well, don't do that. Well, at least they're going to be half the price. Are you going over to see the dog? I'll come over. I tried to say hi to him earlier, but he was freaking out. Shaking. He ran inside the doghouse, looked out, went... Yeah, no, that doesn't sound good. When are you taking it in? When do you take it in? Yeah. Are you off Wednesday? Or you got to take the beast? Well, how are you going to get from there to here? Tuesday, I have to go to town in the afternoon. So I will... Yeah, I have an appointment. I think it's at 12:30, but it's going to take 2 hours. It's in Templeton, so then I can just come and get you and bring you home. I don't know. I thought you called Templeton Auto. It's in Templeton. Traffic ways to the Tuscanero. It's downtown Templeton if you call the right place. There's a Templeton Auto Parts, and then I don't know, but there's a little auto parts store in front, and then alongside the little side road, it's just a little 2-bay place. Yeah, right on the main road. Okay, so good. I won't have to find you in the wrong place. All right, well, I'll meet you over there to say hi to Levi. See what a nice guy I am. Always. God. Always solving others' problems. Ooh, a crow. Look, it's a raven. It's bringing a missive. It's bringing a note from Jon Snow. Am I crazy or what? All right, well, I'm going to turn this off till I get over to Levi, okay? Okay.